Hello friends, welcome to the new episode of Business Plans and Ideas. In this video, I'm going to discuss in detail about potato chips business scope, process, total investment, expected profit margin and marketing strategies. Before we get started, please make sure you have subscribed the channel and press the bell icon to get similar business related videos. Potato chips are one of the most popular ready to eat snacks item in India, and any individual can start a small scale manufacturing project with small capital investment. Currently, the potato chips are available in different tastes and flavors. Potato chips are the most popular salted snack item globally, and the demand is increasing day by day. Several aspects are directly and indirectly responsible for the rapid growth of the potato chips market. The reasons include easy affordability and availability, increasing young population, and changing lifestyles. Potato chips in the pouch packets are the most popular in the market. By considering all direct and indirect factors that helps to grow market demand for the potato chips, it is a good idea to start this business by investing small capital, and you can start the unit from your home. Let's look into the process in detail. First one, washing. This is the first step in the process when the potatoes arrives at the plant. Potatoes are examined for green edges without blemishes and optimum in size and weight to be chosen, and the defective ones need to be discarded. The selected potatoes are washed thoroughly from the farm dirt. Second step is peeling. In this stage, the potatoes undergo scraping the skin off in water. In the rotating drum, the potato skin is removed, and after peeling, the potatoes are again washed with cold water. Third step is slicing. In this process, the peeled potatoes pass through a revolving impeller that cuts them into thin slices. Slicing of shapes can be done depending on the blades. The cut slices move for another cold water wash to remove starch. Fourth step is drying and frying. The moisture content of the potato slices are removed using the spin dryer or hydro extractor. The slices move into a channel filled with oil that is maintained at 170 to 190 degrees Celsius. Paddles gently lets the frying slices pushed along and tumbled onto another conveyor belt. Salt is sprinkled on the hot potato slices at the ratio of 0.8 kg for 45 kg chips. The salted chips then pass through a drum filled with desired powdered seasonings for flavor. Last step is packaging. This is the final stage in potato making. The potato chips are packed into a plastic pouch with the help of the sealing machine, and then packed into a carton box for delivery to the clients and customers. Let's look into the investment part. The requirement of different types of machines depend on the unit size and production output. However, here we have compiled a list of major required machines. So you would be requiring a peeling machine, a slicing machine, dryer machine, potato fryer machine, salting and spice coating machine, sealing machine and other miscellaneous equipment. So the total investment, if we round it off, it would be 3,20,000. And one more thing you should consider is the initial working capital. So the initial working capital to make 500 kg chips would be rupees 44,000. Let's look into the expense and profit margin. Considering the expenses for processing 300 kg potato, you would be spending for potatoes, oil, salary, packaging and other miscellaneous expenses. So the total expense would be rupees 13,200 per day. Let's look into the income part. Considering you are processing 300 kgs of potato daily, when you are processing 300 kg potatoes, you will get 150 kg chips and you can sell it in 130 grams of packets. Then 130 gram MRP would be rupees 30 and the wholesale price is rupees 19.50. So when we sell 1153 packs, you would be getting 22,483 rupees per day. So if you compare the income and expense, the net profit would be 9,283 per day. Let's look into the marketing in detail. Most companies that are into potato chips production or similar snack production are becoming more creative when it comes to packaging and branding their potato chips. The truth is that if you can successfully package and brand your potato chips to meet international standards, you can indeed successfully export your products to other countries of the world. There are potato chips brands that can be found in supermarkets all across the globe. A number of organized as well as unorganized groups are already there, catering to the needs of coffee shops, restaurants, railway stations, tourist places, etc. Still, there is a huge demand to be met for these products in remote places in different parts of the country. If you're looking for any specific business and wanted to check the investment or profit margin, then you can comment below so that I can do the research and make videos for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get similar business related videos. Thank you for watching.